Hi, Chanel from Tips and Tricks HQ here, and in this video we'll learn how you can display your photos in a grid on your WordPress website. If you find yourself adding a blog to your WordPress website or blogging is the main purpose of your website, you may wish to display images within a post or a page in a gallery style. Displaying images in a gallery or a grid is a lot more visually appealing than having a list of related images. To create a WordPress media gallery, you'll need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you've reached your WordPress dashboard, you'll need to either create a post or a page where you intend to display your media gallery. So I've just created a basic post, then I clicked add new and that's brought me here. I've added a nice little title to my post and then I've already gone ahead and inserted a media gallery. I'd now like to show you how you can insert your own media gallery. So I click here on the plus symbol to add a new block. Once I've added the new block, I need to scroll down and click the arrow for common blocks. You can always find the gallery icon under common blocks, although you may also see the gallery icon under most used if it's been used previously. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on that gallery icon. Then I can choose to upload new images for my gallery, or I can click on my media library to use images that I've already uploaded to my website. So I'll click on the media library button and that takes me to my media library where I've got a collection of images that already exist on my website. So then to add some to the gallery, I can just click on the ones that I'd like to include in my gallery. So I've gone ahead and I've added 5 to my gallery and then I can click create a new gallery. So that will add those 5 images to a gallery and from there I can choose what order I want them in. So say if I'd like this lady to be first, I drag and then I drop her. So I'll show you again. You can left click on the image that you'd like to move, you drag it and then release the left click where you'd like to place it. I can caption each image if I like, which I'll go ahead and do so as I didn't do this in the last gallery. So I've named that one Girl 1, Girl 2, Boy 1, Boy 2, and Girl 3. So now that I've captioned all 5 of my images, I've got them in the order that I'd like them, I can insert my gallery. Now you can see that my gallery has been inserted into my WordPress post. So I've got my first gallery here that I created before the video, and then we've got the gallery that we created together beneath it. If you click on your gallery, it will come up with the block settings on the side. In the block settings is where you can control the number of columns that your images are sorted into. You can choose to crop images or you can link your gallery to the media file or attachment page. So currently it's not linked to anything. Then in the advanced, you can add some additional CSS classes if you'd like to change the look of your gallery. So we won't be going into the advanced settings today, although I will briefly show you the columns, crop images and link to. So columns, it's currently in 1, 2, 3 columns. If I had 6 images, you'd see they're nice 2 rows, but currently because I've got 5 images, it's just made these 2 a little bit bigger. So maybe the best thing to do would be to change it to 2 columns and then have just the 5th image at the bottom. So the gallery works really nice if you've got an even amount of images or you've got images that can be divided into certain columns. Say 9 images would go nicely into 3 columns. So I'll show you if I was just to put them into 5, it would just line them up alongside each other, which is really nice on a post or a page if you'd like to display your images side by side. It's really hard to achieve this effect by just adding each image to your WordPress post or page. So the best way to align images side by side is to use a gallery. So now I'll just go back to 2 and I'll show you the crop images feature. So if I click the crop images feature, it crops my images down. I'll show you again, I'll click that on and you can see that the girl and one of the boys have been cropped. There we go. So I'll leave that on and then I can choose to link this to either the attachment page or the media file. So I'll link it to the attachment page for now and we'll leave that and I'll go ahead and I'll save this as a draft and then we'll open it up so I can show you what your visitors to the site would see. Keep in mind I haven't published this out so it's just really a preview for now, but I'll just show you. Because we've linked this to the attachment page, when your visitor comes on, they'll actually see that this is clickable. This one here, see, the cursor actually goes to the clickable icon, whereas the previous gallery I created, I did not attach to anything. I chose the none option. So if a customer came onto your website, saw your media gallery, and it was clickable, they clicked on it, you'd see that this one takes you to the attachment page of that icon. So if I go back, click on the boy, takes me just to the image of the boy. So this is great if you've got a member's profile, you just want to take them just to that page of that member. You can just choose to click on someone and it takes them to that page. So I can see that that's the female vector. So I'm going to go back. And that pretty much sums up creating a WordPress media gallery. It's a nice way to display images on your WordPress website and it's super easy to use. This tool is a free tool that comes with WordPress, including WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So the demonstration I've completed today was for WordPress.org, but please note the WordPress.com media gallery is very similar.